Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to install the latest custom ROM which is based on Android 12. So friends, we finally got Android 12 custom ROM in Realme X7 Max. So I'm happy for that. So I'm going to test and I'm going to install that Android 12 ROM in Realme X7 Max. So that Android 12 ROM is based on Ancient OS. So it is the first Android 12 ROM in our Realme X7 Max. So thank you so much for the developers because they are the heroes who are developing the custom ROMs for MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor. So as I said in the previous videos, the prerequisites for installing the custom ROMs are you just need to unlock your bootloader and the TWRP recovery image should be installed in your Realme X7 Max. So please note friends, I repeat, please note when you're flashing any custom ROMs, please take the stock UI backup. So I have just made a video yesterday regarding that, so please watch that video. So just take a backup of that Realme X7 Max stock UI and please follow the procedures. So in order to flash the Android 12 custom ROM, I just need to switch off my device. So let me just switch off my device. As you can see, now I'm just switching off my device. So once it got switched off, so I will just hold all the three buttons here, I mean the volume buttons and the power button at a time. So I just need to press all the three buttons at a time. So once it boots into the fast boot mode, I just need to connect this to my system and I just need to run a command which is fastboot reboot recovery, so that it will be redirected into the TWRP recovery. So friends, as you can see, now I am into the TWRP recovery which is 3.5.2. so it is an unofficial TWRP recovery, so it's better to join to the Telegram group which is Realme X7 Max official group. So there are many developers and testers and also like us people, so we are trying to get full knowledge regarding the ROMs and flashing the ROMs, unlocking the bootloader and everything. So just try to join into the Telegram group. So it is not my personal thing, so it is related to the Realme X7 Max official Telegram group. So as you can see, it is the TWRP recovery. So you just need to click on install and I just need to check whether I can see the files or not. So as you can see, these are the two files. One is Ancient OS which is based on Android 12, and definitely we just need to flash the firmware zip file. So first of all, I just need to do one thing. So let me just select the firmware file and also click on add more zips and click on Ancient OS which is based on Android 12 and swipe to confirm flash. So it will take some time friends. As you know, installing the ROM will take some time. So friends, as you can see, now it is installing the Ancient OS which is based on Android 12. So finally I'm very happy that we got Android 12 custom ROM in Realme X7 Max, because officially we are getting the Android 12, I mean which is based on Realme 3.0 Realme UI on, I think it's coming on December at the end of the December. So maybe before that we got this Ancient ROM. So I think right now the developers will also make sure that they'll create ROMs based on Android 12, because as this is the first Android 12 ROM, so I think the coming ROMs are also will be based on Android 12. So let me just pause this video friends. So once after it got installed, I'll just show you again. So friends, successfully the Ancient OS got flashed. Here you can see the following things. The Android version is 12 and there is also build ID and build date is on November 16th, and the security patch is pretty good, it's on November 5th. So as you can see, it is a latest and updated version. So as it got flashed, I just need to click on wipe cache and Dalvik. So let me just select wipe. So now here I just need to tell you the important step. So once after installing the ROM, we just need to reboot and click on fastboot. So as you can see, these are the 5 options here. I just need to click on fastboot. So it will just go to the fastboot mode. Then we need to connect our mobile phone to the system. So once it is going into the fastboot mode, let me just repeat that one more time. So once it got to the fastboot mode using the TWRP, it needs to be connected to the system, and after that we just need to run fastboot space minus W. So this is the command we just need to run because it will wipe entire data. So as you can see here, it was entered to the fastboot mode. So we just need to connect to the system and we just need to run fastboot minus capital, or fastboot minus small w. Okay, so as you can see friends, this is the boot animation. So after entering into the fastboot mode, I'm just repeating this one more time. Just enter fastboot space minus W command. So it will clear the user data. So once it cleared the user data, you just need to again run a command which is fastboot space reboot. So once after that, after entering that command, it will be rebooted successfully. And here you can see, so let me just start here and I'll try to connect to my Wi-Fi network. So I'm just configuring my phone here. I have noticed these things. So as you can see, the Wi-Fi icons, the battery icon, and here it was showing old T. I'm so sorry for the clarity friends. So as you can see here, these are some of the changes I have noticed for the first time when I'm just trying to configure and try to set up my device. So I think it's pretty good. It's a different kind of options here I can see. So not options, those are some of the icons. So it is a bit different. So friends, finally we booted into the ancient OS. Here the wallpaper is pretty good. So let me just show you. See here, this is the special, the Android 12 versions notification panel. So as you can see, now we got the Android version 12 in Realme X7 Max. So here these are some of the options. So let me just increase some brightness, and there might be an issue if I just increase the brightness. Okay, fine. So here some of the options are Wi-Fi. As you can see, these are some of the options, and same. And also we have this auto brightness toggle at the top of the notification panel. And if we just slide, there is a night light option here. And we can edit all the options from here. So if you want the more, so as you can see, internet, alarm, so mic access. So I think it is a good option, I guess. Camera access, NFC is also available in Android 12, and there is a hotspot, invert colors, and dark theme option is also available. So heads up, reboot, AOD. So directly we can enable or disable the always on display here, and also the volume panel, and we can also access the compass from the notification panel. And this is the focus mode, bedtime mode, and near share. DC dimming option is available. Good to see that. So it is one of the Realme settings, and this is a high brightness. And also Realme settings, there is a performance mode. As you can see, this is a performance mode. Game mode also is available, and the refresh rate, if we add, there will be a refresh rate as well. So let's check. Let me just scroll this. So right now I guess 60 Hz is not supporting in the Android 12 version of Realme X7 Max. I think it's based on 120 Hz, I guess, because as you can see here, unsupported and it is unavailable. So the 60 FPS is unavailable right now. So these are some of the applications. It's pretty decent friends. So let me just do one thing. So do not mind, because I understand some of them are really wanted to use this white color background. So see, so as you can see, I think my camera is not detecting much, but it is a light brownish. So the font color is light brownish, and it's really very good. So let me just try to do one thing. I'll just try to turn off to the dark mode. So as there is a dark theme which is available, so I have just turned it off to the dark mode. So friends, so as you can see, and also let me just decrease some brightness. So these are some of the applications which we got are. So as you can see, this is the Realme settings again. So actually it is the best application which is available for each and every custom ROM. So there is a smart charging feature. I have just tried using this, so it is working fine. And also we can select the charging limit, and also the performance profile here. So we can just change it to the balanced mode or the performance mode. And also DC dimming is available. There is a high brightness mode. As you can see, it is working pretty good. So no issues with that. And when I'm just selecting any options here, as you can see, there is an effect which is going on, and that is pretty decent friends. It's very good. And also as you can see, this is 60 Hz they said, but I guess it is working on 120 Hz only, because it was said that it is not available right now, and also there is a smooth display. I think it will force to 120 Hz itself, so I think you can use on 120 Hz, that will be good. And the the vibration strength, so I feel some of the haptic feedback, and it is pretty good as compared to Realme UI. So I just tested this, and I'm just sharing you my opinion. So if you just install, it will be very good, but I really like this. So I'm so sorry, let me just decrease the brightness, friends. Yeah, I really like this feature. See, the notification panel is awesome. And let me just go to the settings. As you can see, as I showed you, the first one is a Realme settings, and network and internet option are available. So there is a separate setting I have seen, which is craft with heart. So these are the ancient features, for example. So these are the options, these are the status bar options, clock date settings, carrier label, traffic indicators, battery style. So these are some of the styles, and also battery percentage if you want hidden, and if you want next to the icon, we will get the battery percentage. So everything is working fine. So I just need to check the bugs as well. I'll just check, and OLT is working fine. And these are some of the themes. So you can use the custom color if you want, and also white luminance, chroma factor. So these are some of the themes options. And quick settings, so vibration on touch. If you enable this vibration on touch, you will feel the vibration when you touch anything. And these are some of the options which we are having in the quick settings. So call strength, we have the show call strength icon as well, show brightness slider. So if we turned off, you won't get any brightness slider there. If we turned on, as you can see, this is a brightness slider which we have got in the notification panel. And also these are the buttons. So toggle torch when screen off. So if you if you long press the power button, you can just adjust these kind of settings. If you long press the power button, so it will be, the torch light will be on. And the volume steps, so these are the, if you want, you can also choose the steps. So let me just show you the volume panel. So as you can see, it's very, very good. So if I just click on the volume panel, it is just opening here, and I can adjust I can adjust the volume slider. And also these are the media volume, call volume, and alarm volume. We can change here and click on done. So this is a pretty good. So actually UI looks pretty fine. I totally like this UI. And also there is a music control, reorient. There are many options, friend. And so here are the gestures. So tap to wake on doge, tap on lock screen, tap on status bar. So if we double if you double tap on the status bar, the device will go into the sleep mode. And also 3-finger gesture. So let's try 3-finger gesture. Yeah, as you can see, it's working pretty fine. So the 3-finger gesture is working pretty fine. It's taking the screenshots. And also, as I said, this is a brightness control, which means an auto brightness. So let me just show you the navigation bar settings. So on screen navigation bar, so there are not much options in the navigation bar, and these are the animations. So for example, if we charge, so we can choose the animation, flip or rotate, and animation duration. If you want to set it to low, you can set it to low, and if you want to set it to fast, you can set it to fast. So tiles animation, interpolar. So here these are some of the options. So if you install the ROM, you will get a full idea here. And also the battery percentage. So options to, so there is a power saving mode by default, and you can able to access that. So these are some of all the so here the main important thing is it only took around 5.3 GB. So as it is a 256 internal storage, and I got only 245, but here this ROM is very good, and it only took 5.3 GB. As you can see, there are not more than 12 applications. So that is pretty good, friends. It is pretty good. And it was mentioned that the safety net is passing, so I just need to check that as well. So the safety net is passed by default. So let me just do one thing. I'll try to install the application, and I also try to check that. So I'll just make another video, because I'm just trying to root my device and I wanted to pass the safety net. So I am eagerly waiting for that. So I will just post that video in tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So please stay tuned to my channel and please watch my videos. So these are some of the options. So as you can see, the display, so you do have the adaptive brightness and lock screen notifications and screen timeout. I think it's around 30 minutes, I guess. In our Realme UI, I think it's around 10 minutes, I guess, or I don't know exactly. I think it is also 30 minutes in Realme UI. So dark theme is already on. So the display size, you can set that to the default. So there are many options, and here the security. So let me just do one thing. I'll just try to add a fingerprint. So let me just check the pattern, friends. So here you can see we can choose a 6 pattern as well. So let me just do one thing. I'll just do that simply. So as you can see, while doing, it's pretty good, friends. It's pretty good. So let me just try to add my fingerprint here. So I'm just adding my fingerprint, in display fingerprint, to check whether how it is working. So because actually according to my view, friends, the Realme UI fingerprint is pretty much fast as compared to the other ROMs, because it is very fast, friends. So if you are using the in-display fingerprint in Realme UI, it is pretty fast. So no other custom ROM is having that good feedback. So if let's try this. So see, it's taking some time. So it's not that good as the Realme UI. So it's taking much time, I guess. So as you can see, so let me just see, it's taking much time. So this is one of the fault which I have seen now here, and the face unlock is working pretty good. So see here. So here also, let me just tell you one thing, the timer, the clock is also very good. So I'll just show you that as well. So here the fingerprint is not that much good. So I just need to tell, because I just need to tell each and everything if I'm just using the custom ROMs. So I just need to tell each and everything. So that is not that much good. So let me just click on the other option, and here in the about phone, as you can see, it is an Android version 12. As you can see, friends, it is Android version 12. So I really love this. Just a moment. So it is Android version 12 in Realme X7 Max. Finally, I really love that. But the major thing which I have noticed is, and also one more thing, friends. So as I'm using this phone from around 15 minutes. So I mean, this video is recording from around 15 minutes right now. So the battery percentage is reduced to only 1%. I hope the battery percentage is very good in this Android 12 Ancient OS ROM. So I'll also try to see other options as well, and I'll also let you know what are all the other features. But really, I really like this notification panel. So you can enjoy this Android 12 version in the Realme X7 Max. So thank you so much for the developers, really, because they are the heroes who are developing the ROMs in the Realme X7 Max, friends. So if at all, if there is anything you wanted to need, so I'll also try the CPU throttling test in this ROM, because I'm just trying to do that, but I'm little bit busy flashing the custom ROMs here. I just wanted to check each and everything. But according to me, friends, as I said before, so .os is the #1 custom ROM. So it is very good. The battery backup which I got is pretty good. And also one more thing, so regarding the in-display fingerprint option, so regarding this in-display fingerprint, Realme UI is the best, because it is acting very fast. So it is the best thing. So let me just click on this home screen, and also these are some of the widgets here. So these are some of the widgets. So there is a widget called Android S Easter egg. So I think this widget, it is only it will not work for the WhatsApp. I mean, the bubbles will not work for the WhatsApp, friends, because WhatsApp is not supported with that bubbles. So let me just show you the wallpapers here. So themed icons. So it is a beta version. Themed icons, it's in. So let me just see. Themed icons, it changed into the black color, and it's pretty awesome. So if I just turned off, it is normally showing the same, but if I just turned on, so the icons are getting into the, I mean, they are in the black color. And also let me just do one thing, there is an upgrade. So I like I mean, if it is having around 5x6, I think it would be great. And also if it is having around 5x7 also, that would be great, because in these kind of ROMs we will see a gap between each application. So that is the major thing. I mean, I did not like, but I think you people will like that, so no issues with that. And also these are some of the basic colors, wallpaper colors, and these are some of the basic colors, friends. So this is these are the options in the wallpaper and style. And let me just click on home settings. So we can by default add the app icons to the home screen and swipe to access Google Apps. So if we just swipe to, I mean, from home screen to left to right, so we'll get the Google app and overview suggestions. You can just disable all these toggles, friends. So here, so finally I'm very happy that we got Android 12 custom ROM in Realme X7 Max. So I'll just try to install the CPU throttling test application and try to do that as well. So stay tuned for my channel. Hope you like this video, friends. If you still want any changes or anything, so please let me know in the comment section below. And also please let me know what is the area of improvement that I just need to. So if you wanted me to improve on anything, please let me know in the comment section below. So either it is a positive or negative feedback, I will take that as a consideration. I'll definitely try to give the best. I think there is a screen flickering issue as well, I have just noticed, as you can see. Yeah, so sorry to say that at the last. So I think there is a screen flickering issue as well. As you can see, friends, there is a screen flickering issue. So if we just enable some of the options, it would be fine. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you really like the video, please share the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care, guys.